This video, I will show you how to get FiveM on Xbox One. So as you can see right here, I have in here this Reddit question about FiveM on Xbox. So obviously you can get FiveM on console, but is there a way you can download it off a PC onto a drive or storage device and then put that into Xbox Series? So you can do that with mods and other PC platform games, but this user is not sure about FiveM. If you want to actually answer that, as you can see, the actual answer is no. Xbox and PlayStation have their own encrypted OS, and you can only store official stuff like games on USB and copy them on the console, so you can download mods or any unofficial thing to your console. So the straightforward answer to that is no, and the OS may be encrypted, and there is a way for the mods if it supports it. Only on PS4 with older updates and any other newer consoles won't do this, especially on Xbox. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.